everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. Thank you all so much for coming. Thank you to my subscribers. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click on the red subscribe button down below. Afterwards, you click on the bell icon. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all how I make this delicious beans and yam porridge. It's so good, guys. It's super flavorful. It has all those good stuff. You know, I bring you guys good stuff. Okay, so if you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoy what you see. So I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much. So the first thing I'll be doing is to pre-cook my beans. So in here I'll just rinse the beans and I'll add in some water, and I'm just going to allow this to boil until it's cooked, not completely cooked, just pre-cooked, because we're still going to be adding in our yams, so we don't want the beans to be too soft when we do this. So I already peeled my yam and I cut the yam into cubes, so I'm going to add it to the beans and cover and allow this to cook. Basically, I'm just allowing the yam to cook, because in the process of the yam being cooked, the beans will be completely cooked as well. So then I'll be adding some oil. Then at this point I'll just add in my fresh shrimp that I'm going to cook this. So you can add in your seasoning at this point. I forgot to include the clip, so add in your seasoning at this point. So when the shrimp is cooked, you can take it out. Then when you're done taking it out, I'm going to be adding my onion. I'm going to just stir fry this a little bit. Then I'll be adding my beef. Then I'm going to also add in some ground turkey. So I just want these beans, to be super delicious, like to have everything. Like, when you be eating beans, you be eating the meat, the shrimp, everything like in one. So it's like all in one. All right. So add in your seasoning. Then when the beef and the ground turkey is cooked, just take it out. Then I'll be adding in more oil. So at this point I'm just going to fry my tomato mix. So in there I have some tomato, bell pepper, onion, and habanero peppers. So I'm going to cook this until the water is dry, not fully. So when the tomato is cooked just like this, not fully dry, so at this point I'll be adding some fish powder or crayfish. Then I'll add some more pepper. So I love pepper, that's Cameroon pepper right there. Then I'll be adding my cooked beef and my cooked shrimp. Then I'll be adding some stock cube. So I don't usually add salt a lot, so this is perfect. You can check for taste at this point. If you're not satisfied with how it tastes, you can add in more seasoning if you choose to. So I'm just going to cover this and allow this to simmer for about 2 minutes or 3. So when it steams, then I'll be adding my beans and yam that is already cooked. Basically, you're just going to stir this together and put your stove on a low heat, because this needs to cook gradually. So if you don't want yours to be too thick, there's no point adding in more water. But if you want it light, or a little bit light, on the lighter side, you can add a little bit of water. So I'll be adding some chopped bell pepper, then more fish powder or crayfish, and I'm just going to stir this and allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and the beans porridge is ready, guys. Like, seriously, this beans porridge, it tastes really good. Like, seriously, it tastes really good, and when you eat this, you get very full. Like, it will last you for a long time when you eat it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.